Hi, today I'm for the REALME Pad Mini and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open the control panel and find the screen record icon. Hold for a while this icon and now we'll see here record audio switcher. So when the switcher is turned off, this means that you'll record the mode video. When you'll activate the switcher, here you could change the microphone to device audio or to use device audio and microphone together. Then you could start a screen recording by click to start button. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.